In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add someone to Cash App. Cash App makes life easier by allowing you to manage your finances, pay bills, and buy and sell Bitcoin. The ability to send money to friends and family quickly and securely is available on Cash App, and here's how to add people on Cash App. Open the Cash App app on your smartphone and tap the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open the account menu. Select Invite Friends, get $15 from the account menu. In the new window, you can either select contacts from your phone's contact list or type in the email or phone number of the recipient you want to invite. If some of your contacts are already using Cash App, you'll see a green sign that says Uses Cash App. After selecting the people you want to invite or entering their email or phone number, tap on Send Invite. The recipient will receive an SMS message or an email inviting them to use the Cash App application. If the recipient uses included code while registering, you'll get each a $15 bonus. Just note that you can edit the text of the invite before sending it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.